beyond the north fence. Nothing over there.
Girl!
Players and coaches can be in here, but everybody else has got to go that way.
Hey, Mom! You going to the park? Mama! Hey, you. Don't go, man. Oh, Kenzie, you're so fat. I'm kidding. You're going on TikTok? No fucking way. Am I missing the freaking graduation? No. rod or something?
We're not watching anymore. Sit or just leave that stuff here until
On a move. You just follow her around all day? Look at your eyes. Someone should mic me up during a game or practice. It's fucking fun.
That would be so funny. We wouldn't practice, we just laughed.
your mom chose. Yeah, she chose to take me back for another year. It's freaking amazing. It's like September 4th, so right when school starts on the 18th as a senior. So I'm not listening to nobody. Yeah, oh yeah, you are. Yeah, because you're the beginning of the year, and yeah,
Max, are you going to be a junior? Honestly. Are you going to listen?
the first. I wish I was going to just made me like the youngest and senior. It's not good.
Oh, well. Nobody cannot do anything. Our whole football season because our whole starting lineup. So
like our
someone walked into the
school's like-
locker room where guys can throw a ball. So all the left people got
I feel like they're long they're not stupid about it either. They're all like trackers, so they all know, they all keep their shit on. The least that they bring to school is like cards and like cautious and shit. They just do that shit in the bathroom. Because teachers don't use bathrooms at UAU, so you can only find it in schools and teachers.
Alright.
They usually use other shit.
We have a huge problem to take care of.
Really?
Our school, Boylan, they have a huge problem. That's how much out. Harlow is before HMU school. They've always had a problem. Our school is like most of the new kids. And then we just forget about the last did?
We were gonna have ours. It was just gonna be like really late. Like they were thinking like July, August.
Our school said no, doesn't matter. Pretty sure everyone got mail for but they got to walk across the stage.
Easy, 43.
Yeah.
Slow down.
It was about 2:17. I think ours was
Slow down.
way on the field.
Yeah.
Right into his soul.
How long did they date?
They were dating.
Twice.
Yeah, they were
They broke up
dating.
and come back.
Because they were together when me and Sam were together, and I remember because like she was. I
Heads
got
up, heads
together.
up.
When I got together with my ex, she got back together with him.
been single for 4 months. I got back together with Mike twice. Never again.
Never again. Never ever.
I was with mine.
That was my question.
I was with mine for almost 2 years.
Mine was a year.
That was no fun.
I know, this is gonna take over a whole house. We need more. Wait, you can record our game. That's the way we get like I broke up with mine because he kept stalking my Instagram, like seeing who I follow, and like, he was in love with another girl a year ago. So he was the dude ever cheated on me.
Pray for that guy because I feel like Diamond.
I wouldn't even be mad. I wouldn't even be sad about it. I'd be pissed. Like my entire, like, 'cause my dad cheated on my mom. Like everyone around me like cheated. Like I see it suck around. Even my guy friends, like they do it to their girlfriends all the time. Yeah, and they'll just like they'll tell me about it. It's like I can't fucking stand that shit.
Rick will blow out. I swear to God, if I was cheated on, and I got with mine. I think she was.
Nothing happened with my ex. Just schools, life happened that way. We just got being more distant. Like it was a short and mutual thing, but it was sad. She was like my best friend, dog.
You know, at least it wasn't.
Yeah, that's not.
Oh, we're good. Nice catch.
Good play, catch. Good play.
When I broke up with my first one,
If anything.
Yeah,
Thing was so close to the fence.
Max not moving.
How so?
My ex created an Instagram live fashion for 3 hours. Threw everything I gave him against the wall. And I was like, that's what?
Heads up!
Maddie?
Wait, there's a net. It's okay. We were dating for 4 months before I found out.
You stayed with it.
She didn't know.
Because, well, I found out after 4 months of dating. Like, we were like, this is a girl that actually we were friends at the time. And that's what made me really mad. Yeah. He was like, well, I didn't know you had to come. He was like, well, that doesn't make it right. I mean, that's still nothing happened. We just hung out. She tried to do something. I was like, okay, well, then how did you cheat? I was like, okay. So I was like, alright, it's in the past.
When I was with my ex, I told him, like, I don't care if you hang out with her at school. Just don't drive her around. No, babe, we're just friends. And I was like, yeah, okay, I'm used to life.
Never again.
And I guess she made moves. I guess she made moves and he just let it happen.
He brought her to my softball game.
Are you
school for high school?
serious?
He went to her house and dropped her off. I said, oh, wait a minute. I even asked me to drop her off. I was like, you didn't ask me. She was like, oh, well, I thought you found out. I was like, that's your ex-girlfriend. No.
So?
She has a baby too. I was like,
Baby?
oh yeah, she's got baby daddy. Jail. In and out of jail. She's a drug addict. Her baby's, I think, a year now. She's pregnant. She lost her virginity like 12 or 13. Really? Yes.
We gotta convince somebody to make us walk up.
Oh, I think we're good. We live 5 minutes from here. I literally live down that way.
I hate being friends with my age or like younger. I'm always
I thought you were. Yeah, you are.
about to be in like a month.
Oh, okay. Mom, these ones are really fast.
Oh, tagged her. Tagged her.
Heads up!
That doesn't count. That's like, middle school's like a friendship. It really was. Like my hubs. It was like my best friend. Like that I would date. Like when you would date. Yeah. But no, yeah. My freshman year, no, two my freshman year, and then the one sophomore.
Sophomore to junior.
My high school years
Ooh, that was a nice hit. Oh, that would have been so good.
I just took that. Oh, I'm sorry. Two people here that sitting on the over there.
I'll grab it.
My mom
This girl's got a good one.
Oh, Mom, I don't want to go get my water. I'm going to walk all the way out
So
there.
my mom told me I had a good hit. And the only reason I got on base is because she dropped the ball. So. Thanks, Mom. It makes my day. Really boosts my self-esteem.
I have to walk all the way out there to get my water. You're all the way out now.
Good.
Have two bring it.
My mom just texted me, you need to come get your water.
Yeah. I don't know. I'll put a neutral with mine. So they can drink gas.
Favorite person ever.
Yeah, I don't. How long did you
She has a new boyfriend now. His name's Luke.
From Lake Geneva.
From like Geneva.
No.
He's a no, he's a UFO.
Give me the last name. I probably know.
Gullible.
Just on a random.
The best thing was he was literally about to be a freshman in college.
No, yes, I know him. He's going to my followers.
He's the first one that's not verified that showed up on it. So I'll just here's a picture. And she's like, oh. Freshman in college. Actually, he posted the other day that he committed to Minnesota.
Oh,
He did. He did. Yeah, he did the other day.
And that.
Yeah,
I was like, there you go.
Maddie.
Got like a 3.4 GPA. I won't even know. I have a 4.0.
Yeah, that's going down. My first
Mine went up. Because it used to be 3.97.
I'm always in the 3.8.
And then I got an 8 in my AP class.
3.8?
Slacking over here. I'm over here with a 3.5.
Madison.
I just got, no, I don't have a high mark. Hey, at least you took yours.
Yeah, we should check.
Guess what? They ain't taking my scores because I had my
I'm at like a 2.9.
I passed my heart attack when I saw that.
Physics is gonna be so
My only AP class is Spanish.
Oh, baby. Like, oh my God. Yeah, mine either. Mine grades are all
Are you gonna retake it? Which one? Stats? I think I'm my ACT.
Oh, no, my ACT's staying in 23. I don't care.
I got accepted to college, so I'm good. He's over here applying, and my dad's like, all of a sudden he's like, Casey, your dad. Yeah, he's like, where are you going to college? I'm like, I don't know. And he's like, well, where do you want to go? And I told him, and he's like,
Where do you want to go?
Belfort or Knoxville. And he's like, okay, well, you need to start applying now. Maddie's already been accepted somewhere. You need to start applying. And I said, yeah. I don't know yet. I'm gonna go visit. I haven't even visited yet, so I don't know that. But I'm gonna. There's also Division 2 school.
I'm always like on the
I was going to when I was like 10. I was like, and now I'm like, I need to focus. That was too much stress that I cannot handle.
I was like, yes, of course I am.
If I get an offer and I get the good one, I could
That's fair enough, but if it's not there, then I mean, at the end of the day,
We're done.
I'd rather have a career than
Yeah, probably. Or go try the girls over there.
they're an out. Oh, they must have run it all.
How you doing today, Blue?
Yes, here.